Okay, starting off with the first question. This says Jasmine buys a family holiday to India. Here is some information about the cost. In October, Jasmine pays a deposit of 12% of the total cost. So this is the total cost. She pays the rest of the total cost in December. Calculate the amount that she pays in December. So this is simple. I calculate 12% of 2250. I get 270, and December is then 2250 minus 270. It's $1980. Find the ratio of cost of flights to cost of hotel. So 700 to 1550. Since it's a simplest form, I can either put this on a calculator, say 70 divided by 155. That gives me 14 is to 31. That is from a calculator. You would also manually reduce it with 5, 1 and 531. It says Jasmine exchanges $350 into rupees. The exchange rate is $1 to 71.6 rupees. On holiday, she spends 19,500 rupees. She changes the rest back into dollars at the same exchange rate. Calculate the amount of money she receives. So, when you want to change, you use ratios. I cross multiply. I get 350 into 71.6. That gives me 25060. I spent 19,500, so I'm left with 5560. Now I want to change this back into dollars. So this becomes 5560 divided by 71.6. That's 77.6536. So to correct to three significant figures, that's 77 point, no, it says correct to the nearest cent, so that's 77.65. Then the next question is about standard form. It says the table shows the tourists and total tourist spending for some countries in 2016. Calculate how many more tourists visited India than Kenya in 2016. So India minus Kenya. I could do this on a calculator, or I could do this manually. Since I have a calculator, I should use that. 10 power 7 minus 1.27 into 10 power 6. That's 13,338 chart. I could write that as okay. Calculate the average amount spent per tourist in China in 2016. So China divided by the number of tourists in China. So I can again put this on a calculator. I get 748.735, which is $749. Correct to the nearest dollar. From 2014 to 2016, the total money spent by tourists in Madagascar increased by 23.5%. In Madagascar, Okay, so this is from 2016. Calculate the amount spent by tourists in uh, 2014. So I'm talking about the total amount spent. So this is the final value, 9.13 into 10 power 5. So I don't know the original value. Let's call that x multiplied with the multiplier. Okay. So on a calculator, this is 739,271. Since the question doesn't tell me to round off to three significant to standard form, I can just round it off to three significant figures and tell you that that's the final answer. Okay, the next question is about pie charts. It says the pie chart summarizes the ages of people at a science fair. Write down the model class. The model class is the one with the highest frequency. In this case, it has to be the highest angle. The highest angle is 144 degrees, so the model class is 16 to 20. There were 90 people aged over 30, so this was 90. At the science fair, calculate the number of people aged 16 to 20. So 90 corresponds to 54 degrees, and 144 degrees corresponds to x. To 40. The next question is about histograms. It says the table summarizes. When I want to complete the histogram, I need the frequency density. Let's first calculate the class widths. 40, 20, 10, 10, 20. Frequency density is frequency divided by the class width. So 36 divided by 40 gives me 0.9. 48 divided by 20 gives me 2.4, 6.46, and 2.1. So 0 to 40, I have to draw something on 0.9. Then 40 to 60, I have 2.4. Sixty to 70, I have 6.4. And 80 to 100, I have 2.1. Okay. Okay, students who scored 75 or more are awarded a distinction. Find an estimate for the percentage of 250 students who were awarded a distinction. So 75 or more. So I basically have to estimate in this category. I can say that this class goes from 70 to 80. If I put something in the middle, 75, I can say that this category can then be broken into 30 each, because there are a total of 60 students. So 30 plus 42 out of 250 score a distinction. So that's 28.8%. Question 3. It says complete the table for this. So I have to insert the value x equals to minus 3 cubed divided by 2 minus 3 times minus 3 minus 1. That gives me minus 5.5. Now I have to make a sketch. Now obviously, since I'm drawing it on the screen, the sketch might not be very accurate.